Let's prepare creamy chicken meatballs. Place a pot in medium heat. Add 4 tablespoons butter. Add 2 small onions. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes or until onions are soft. Add 1/2 teaspoon allspice. Add 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Add 1/2 teaspoon white pepper. Mix well. Add 2 minced garlic cloves. Add 4 tablespoons breadcrumbs. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. In a bowl, add 500 grams minced chicken, 1 egg. Add prepared mixture. Mix well and make small balls. In same pan, add olive oil. Fry meatballs in medium flame. Turn the balls to allow it cook equally. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes or until meatballs are well cooked. When meatballs are done, transfer into tissue paper. Cook remaining meatballs in the same way. In a same pan, add butter and all-purpose flour. Mix well. Stir for 3 to 4 minutes or until flour is lightly golden. Add 1 cup chicken broth. Stir for a few minutes or until lightly gravy consistency. Add 1/3 cup heavy cream. Mix well. Add Worcestershire sauce and Dijon mustard. Mix well. Stir well until well combined. Now add chicken meatballs. Cover meatballs with creamy sauce. Add freshly chopped parsley. Mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Meatballs are ready to serve. Turn off the stove. Serve meatballs when they are hot. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. For more such recipes, subscribe our channel.